All right, so today we've got an interesting situation. I thought I'd film it for you guys all to watch. I've got Amanda in the chair. Say hi, Amanda.
Hi.
Amanda's let me agree to film what I'm going to do. I'm going to do microdosing underneath the eyes for these little tiny lines. So come up here real quick and give me a big smile. So you see these little fine lines right underneath here? They drive her nuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off the orbicularis oculi right here, but just we don't want to turn it off too much because if we turn off too much, this is going to happen. And then she's going to get that ptosis of that eyelid, and then she's going to have a watery eye for 3 months, and we don't want that. So what I did is I'm taking some tox, and I drew up 2 units of tox to the 5 line. Actually, what I did first was I drew up 2 units of this bacteriostatic saline, or I drew up bacteriostatic saline to the 5 line. Then I drew up 2 units to the 10 line. I added some air in the vial, and then I mixed it like this. Okay. And so what's going to happen is I'm going to have 2 units diluted down into 10 units of solution, right? And then that way I'm going to put 1 unit underneath each eye. So that way I'm not overdoing that area. So that's how I mixed it up a little bit. So now let me show you how I inject underneath the eye. So, all right, hold nice and still for me. And then close your eye. So what I'll do, go ahead and open it. She has eyelashes on, so I'm gonna have her open her eye. Smile again, relax, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put little tiny aliquots. Look how superficial that is. And just put little tiny dots right in that eyelid all the way through. So I just spread 1 unit of tox all through there. And that's gonna kind of spread out a little bit. And then we'll do it on this side. Do the same thing. See what I'm doing? I'm holding tension with my pinky there because this is really thin skin and it's very sensitive. You want a nice sharp needle. Just kind of spread that out there. So I did 3 little spots there. All right, and that will spread out and just kind of bathe that little bit of muscle as we get going. And then what'll happen is that'll soften those lines a little bit. It won't turn the eyelid off completely. Avoid ptosis, and that's microdosing underneath the eye.